Morning guys, you're going to have to forgive me for the workshop noise, the beeps, the clangs, the bangs. There's Usain behind me. I have to say that, it's like my catchphrase, and people ask me to say it now as well, which is ace, right? So anyway, fast forward from yesterday, this little beauty arrived on my toolbox, right? And I love when a brown box arrives on my toolbox. And you read the little words here that say Diagnostic Connections. Now, you might not have heard of Diagnostic Connections. If you have, Ace, give them some love. DCL, or Top Don UK. Now, all three are under one umbrella of a company. However, we speak to John at DCL, we speak to Jack at Top Don UK. Very, very nice people. Anyway, I had a fortunate chat with our John from DCL the other day on a video chat. He's just getting used to technology, bless him, but we do love him dearly. And anyway, he says to me, he says, Rob, do you need any more of this freeze spray? I'm like, John, it's the tits, it really is. And I've used a can and a half. I'm going to use it in a bit later, but it's going to be a separate video. Anyway, shall we get into this beauty? Anyway, no gets to a mechanic better than seeing some happy bows right on the top there. Look, just peeking. Me and Adam have had a bag each, by the way, so there is 4, or was 4. Anyway, I digress, but that gets straight to my good side. Thank you, John. Me and Adam will polish them off in a bit, you know. Crinkly paper is always good stuff. Anyway, here we go, look. We've got some stickers. Look at these guys, eh? Could you put 3 better names together? Haribo, Top Don, DCL, come on. So these guys, DCL Lubricants, in all seriousness, have sent me out a little bit of a goodie box, shall we say, because I love the Freeze-ease spray that much, and guys, you should love it too. If you've not tried it yet, give it a whack, honestly. Great reviews, and that's not just from myself as well, that's from anyone that's really tried it. And we'll have to with Shecky Box. Anyway, when you hear one of these Shecky Box coming from Postman Dan, he's a ledge. He knows who he is. He probably won't see this video, but nonetheless. So we've got 12 cans of Freeze-ease spray. Now this is the tits, guys. Like I say, if you haven't used it before, where you been? Fantastic product. It's got me out of the shit loads with glow plugs already. And do you know what? It helps massively with wheel alignments as well. Yes, so if you are in the fast fit, it don't matter really what you're doing. If you're not doing it with mechanical, you're still doing wheel alignments. You've still got shit at home that needs lubricating, or you've got that pain in the arse bolt in your garden, in your shed, whatever, on your bike you can't open. Now this is the good stuff. You can buy these in singulars now, guys, so I'm made aware. So DCL have smashed it. Buy it in singulars. You can buy it from distributors as well. Get onto the DCL website. I'll put it in the link or in the description below, and you can see who stocks it as well, closer to you, if you can't be bothered with the postage. Sometimes people have to shave a couple of quid off by actually going and speaking to people. But guys, thank you very much, John at DCL, the whole DCL team, the whole Top Don UK team, and of course Diagnostic Connections. And guys, if you want to treat yourself to a cheeky discount code with Top Don UK, if you head on over to my YouTube video, the VW Mechanic, or all my YouTube videos, the recent ones, on the VW Mechanic YouTube channel, you'll see in the description, I'll give you a cheeky 10% discount code across the Top Don range. And that's not just from the starter tools, that's all the way up to the professional stuff, courtesy of myself and of course Jack from Top Don. But these have been from John at DCL. Links will be in the description for everything you need here, guys. Can't wait to use this. I'm going to finish with a tin and get cracking on these. But other than that, guys, big love to the team. See you soon. Love you, bye.